Page 71. Actually, it's going to be pages 70 and 71. This is on the key of E minor. Relative scales, I think we've already talked relative scales, but we'll talk about them again. Remember, for each key signature, there's a major and a minor key that goes with it. C major. Let's go back to C major. All the white keys. It's relative minor. That is the minor key, the minor scale that has no sharps or flats is A minor. And they say you can go up 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. But I just go down 3 because it's quicker. 1, 2, 3. And start on the note. Don't start on 0. Start 1, 2, 3. That's A minor. Well, for G major here, we just go down 3 in the scale. 3 notes in the scale. 1, 2, 3. It looks like you only go down 2 notes. But what I'm doing is I'm counting half steps. It's 3 half steps. So C to a half step, and a half step. 3 half steps is really what I'm after, because that'll get you there no matter what. Well, in G major, go down 3 half steps. 1, 2, 3, and you'll be here. So it's E minor. E minor is relative to G major. So E minor has 1 sharp in the key signature. Now, again, you got different kinds of minors. This one, according to the key signature in the music, is natural minor. The one we use the most and the one that I use in the scale videos I have on scales is the harmonic minor, and that's where we raise the 7th step a half step. So in E minor, the 7th step would be a D. It's 1 under. So instead of a D, we raise it to a D sharp. So it's there. Yeah. That's generally the minor you'll find in music most cases. The melodic minor, you'll see that too, but I don't use it and I don't practice it. I found that if I can practice the harmonic minor, I can adjust to the others when I need them fine. And they show you there. I don't like using music with scales or arpeggios, either one, but this is the same pattern we've done on the other scales. I don't see any point in going over this other than the fact you're in E minor. There's 1 sharp in the key signature. However, it would cover the primary chords. Remember, the primary chords, there's 3 of them, and it's the same numbers in all keys. It's the 1, the 4, and the 5, or 5, 7. Same numbers. So we figured out the same in E minor, we're in E minor. The 1 chord is built on step 1 of the scale. So it's an E minor chord. The 4 chord, 1, 2, 3, 4, is here. And the 5 chord is here, except we're using a harmonic minor, so we're going to use D sharps. Here. So that's the 1, 4, and the 5. And if I want a 5, 7, I just add another one. Every other note in the scale. Because that certainly isn't every other note, but it's every other note in the scale. Here, B, here, here, and then 1 more. It's every other note in the scale. Now I don't want to move around, so I use close position. So we start here, and the 4 chord, remember, you just take the top 2 notes in the chord and you take them up 1 note in the key here. So that's the 4 chord. It's the 4 chord. This, I simply put the E on the bottom. That's all it is. So there. So we got that one. 5, 7 chord is you take your hand position. I'm going to take the top 2 notes in the position, and I'm going to take the bottom note down a half step. It's the same pattern in all the keys. Major and minor is the same pattern. So it's here. So the chords, and we push them so hard and spend so much time on them because you're going to use them a lot. And if you can learn to recognize them in the music eventually, it makes reading music so much easier. Now there's a duet at the bottom. I'd like to play that, and you play this piece here. And remember, it's the first part is repeated, so we're going to do the whole thing. I'll give us 4 counts. I'm not going to go as fast as they're suggesting, but we'll go at a nice speed. I think it's a nice speed. Just make sure you can play this with no hesitations, or this won't work. So it's this speed. 1, 3, 4, 1, and. You need to play this at that speed, or this won't work. They're telling you this the first time you play D natural. And then when you repeat it, then you add the D sharps. Something like that. Yeah. It gives it a little variety, because when you repeat it, it's nice to change something if you can. That's what they're changing here. Normally we wouldn't change the notes, but they're suggesting it, so okay. One, two, ready, go.